This video is presented to you by www.testprepadda.com. Now I'll take few other conditional identities. Here it is given A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degree. Again, I'll tell you in place of A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degree, they may say A, B, C are three angles of a triangle. First identity here given as sin A plus sin B plus sin C is equal to 4 cos A by 2 into cos B by 2 into cos C by 2. The second identity here given is sin A plus sin B minus sin C is equal to 4 sin A by 2 into sin B by 2 into cos C by 2. So I'll take the first identity here. I'll prove this. So I'll take the LHS part, which is given as sin A plus sin B plus sin C. Now open this sin A as you have written earlier for sin 2A, 2 sin A cos A, and here sin A will be written as 2 sine half of that angle means A by 2 cos again half means A by 2. Okay, and for these two I will use the transformation. So sin B plus C is what? I'll use formula sin C plus sin D, that is 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. I'll write the formula here for you. The transformation formula sin C plus sin D is equal to 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. Substitute here. Sin B plus C will become 2 sin B plus C by 2 into cos B minus C by 2. Now as given, A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degree. Okay, so B plus C will be what? 180 minus A. What will be B plus C by 2? It will be 90 minus A by 2. Okay, so if I take sine on both sides, because we want sine B plus C by 2, so sine B plus C by 2 will become sine 90 minus something. Sine 90 minus something will become cos, but 90 minus something lies in the first quadrant. First quadrant where the sign is positive. That is why it will become cos A by 2. So in place of sin B plus C by 2, I can take sin A by 2. Sorry, cos A by 2. You can see cos we have found here. Cos. Now cos A by 2 will be taken common. In fact, 2 cos A by 2. If I take 2 cos A by 2 common, inside the bracket I'll get sin A by 2 plus plus cos B minus C by 2. Now sin A plus sin A by 2, in place of that I can write sin 90 minus B plus C by 2. Okay, 90 minus B plus C by 2. And sin 90 is what? Cos. 90 minus means first quadrant, sign will remain positive. So it becomes cos B plus C by 2. So at the end, it is actually 2 cos A by 2 inside the bracket cos B plus C by 2 plus cos B minus C by 2. Now again use the transformation. What transformation? Cos C plus cos D. What is the formula? Cos C plus cos D is 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. So what do we get here now? 2 cos A by 2, and here if I use the transformation cos C plus cos D, it becomes 2 cos 2 cos B by 2 and cos C by 2. So at the end the result will be 4 cos A by 2 cos B by 2 cos C by 2. Now check the RHS given in the identity. It is 4 cos A by 2 cos B by 2 cos C by 2, and that we have got. That is why it is proof. Okay. Now I'll take the second identity here. The second identity says sin A plus sin B minus sin C is equal to 4 sin A by 2 sin B by 2 cos C by 2. Actually, I think you should try this identity in a similar manner as I did for this first one. Okay, so please try this identity. Now I'll take another identity. Here, the identity is given conditional identity. A plus B plus C is 180 degree. Then cos A plus cos B plus cos C is equal to 1 plus 4 sin A by 2 sin B by 2 sin C by 2. Another identity is given as cos A plus cos B minus cos C is equal to minus 1 plus 4 cos A by 2 cos B by 2 into sin C by 2. I'll take this first here. LHS, it is given cos A plus cos B plus cos C. As I want one right hand side plus 1, I will open this cos A as, recall cos A I can write as 1 minus 2 sin square A by 2 as well as 2 cos square A by 2 minus 1. Which one do I need to use here? I want plus 1, so I'll use here 1 minus 2 sin square A by 2. Substitute here 1 minus 2 sin square A by 2. Now use transformation for this. What transformation will you use? Cos C plus cos D. What is the formula? 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. Cos C plus cos D is equal to 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. So here you can write 2 cos B plus C by 2 into cos B minus C by 2. Now cos B plus C by 2. Since A plus B plus C is given as 180, B plus C will become 180 minus A. So B plus C by 2 will become what? 90 minus A by 2. So if I take cos then cos 90 minus a by 2 will fall into the first quadrant where all the trigonometric ratios are positive, so cos will be positive. And since it is 90 minus a by 2, 90 minus something, cos will be converted into sine. So 2 sine a by 2. Now you can take 2 sine a by 2 common. So it becomes 1 plus, I'm taking 2 sine a by 2 common. So in the bracket, we will be having cos b minus c by 2 minus sine a by 2. Okay. Now, sine a by 2 can be written what? Sine 90 minus b plus c by 2. 90 minus something will become cos. This will become cos, and since in the first quadrant all trigonometric ratios are positive, sine will be positive, and that is why it becomes cos b plus c by 2. So at the end, what can you write? 1 plus 2 sine a by 2 in the bracket cos b minus c by 2 minus cos b plus c by 2. Okay, now cos c minus cos d. Cos c minus cos d is what? Recall the formula. Cos c minus cos d is equal to 2 sine c plus d by 2 into sine d minus c by 2. Mind it, d minus c by 2. So here what can we write? 1 plus 2 sine a by 2, and here 2 sine this plus d by this by 2 will become b by 2, and b plus c by 2 minus b minus c by 2 will become what? Sine c by 2. So the result comes as 1 plus 4 sine a by 2 sine b by 2 and sine c by 2. What is given? Just check. It's a 1 plus 4 sine a by 2 sine b by 2 sine c by 2. Hence proved. Now in similar manner, if I take this one, here also you can say, since I want minus 1, what conversion will you use? What formula will you use for the first term of LHS cos A? That will be 2 cos square A by 2 minus 1. So second identity, I am taking LHS. LHS is given as cos A plus cos B minus cos C. Okay, now I'll open this as 2 cos square A by 2 minus 1 plus, now I'll use cos C plus cos C minus cos D. You can see 2 sin C plus D into sin D minus C by 2. So here what can we write? Plus 2 sin B plus C by 2 into sin C minus B by 2. Okay, now sin B plus C by 2, what can you write? Sin B plus C by 2 can be written as cos A by 2. Cos A by 2. Now you can see cos A by 2 is common. Minus 1 plus 2 cos A by 2 is common. Inside the bracket, what will you write? We will write cos A by 2 plus sin C minus B by 2. Cos A by 2 can be written what? Cos A by 2 is actually cos 90 minus B plus C by 2. And 90 minus something will become sine. And since first quadrant cos will remain positive, so sine B plus C by 2. So what can we write here? Minus 1 plus 2 cos A by 2, and inside the bracket sine B plus C by 2 plus sine C minus B by 2. Okay. Now, use this sine C plus sine D, that is 2 sine C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. So it becomes minus 1 plus 2 cos A by 2, and here I'll write 2 sine this plus this by 2 means BB will get cancelled, 2 sine C by 2. Now cos this minus this, cos this minus this means C minus B by 2 minus B plus C by 2, so it becomes cos B by 2. So at the end the result comes what? At the end result comes minus 1 plus 4 cos A by 2 into cos B by 2 into sine C by 2. This is the result that we are getting at the end. Now go and check the RHS part of the identity. Minus 1 plus 4 cos A by 2 cos B by 2 sine C by 2. The same we have got. Hence proved. Okay. Now dear students, you prove these two identities on your own. It is in form of a question. It says prove that if A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degree, then 1 minus cos A plus cos B plus cos C upon 1 minus cos C plus cos A plus cos B is equal to tan A by 2 upon tan C by 2. And another one is sin 2a plus sin 2b plus sin 2c upon cos a plus cos b plus cos c minus 1 is equal to 8 cos a by 2 cos b by 2 into cos c by 2. Try to prove these two. Okay. This video is presented to you by www.testprepadda.com. testprepadda.com provides free audio-visual lectures of different subjects by expert faculties, free online tests prepared by expert faculties to students who are preparing for engineering or medical entrance exams or planning to take exams like KVPY, Olympiad, etc. It provides a platform where students can interact with mentors to improve their performance in the exams. The mission of this online medium is to help students to achieve their goals. Log on to www.testprepadda.com to watch free video lectures on different topics, to download free revision notes, to take free chapter-wise online tests, progressive test, and mock test, to discuss doubts with mentors. Thank you for watching the video. To stay up to date with the latest videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like us on our Facebook page, Test Prep Adda. All the best.